Hello to everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will discuss mechanism of complex reaction part 2 video. In part 1 video we will discuss mechanism of complex reaction, and in part 2 video we will discuss intermediate in S1 and in SN1 and SN2 reaction, how to depend it on reaction. So first we will discuss S for SN1 reaction. The metal-ligand bond dissociate and it cause minimum disturbance SN1. In last video we will discuss in SN1 reaction. This reaction is dissociation reaction. Dissociative reaction, and if it is dissociate reaction, it cause minimum disturbance to form intermediate. For example, here is intermediate X, here is complex, and this is released from this complex. This reaction will slow. Here minus X is removed, so we will get intermediate complex or intermediate reaction here, in which X is removed and further reaction is fast, and this form in which place of Y. This geometry is square planar, square pyramidal. Square pyramidal geometry. Now second example is for metal complex, your X. Which one is released? X. So it get trigonal bipyramidal geometry. Trigonal bipyramidal geometry. It is called TBG. Okay, and now when ligand is attached, so it form this complex. Here in the second type of MX bond adjust and many bond angle to produce trigonal bipyramidal. Now in which then attacked by A to form complex MX5Y. Here octahedral geometry. Again octahedral geometry. This formation trigonal bipyramidal intermediate involve movement of MX bond, and which again move from final product. This one is final product. Now here trigonal bipyramidal intermediate is more stable, therefore stable, there is pi bonding. Then SN1 reaction proceed to trigonal bipyramidal intermediate. Now we will discuss next SN2 mechanism. or SN2 intermediate. Here we will write here complex, that is octahedral complex, and this is slow to adding. Why? It is here is X and Y is added here. This is pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Here formation of pentagonal bipyramidal intermediate, there is movement of Y. This is associative reaction. So associative reaction is SN2. Now in which reaction movement of metal ligand, as the bond angle decreases, here bond angle will decreases, the repulsion between ligand is increases. Here we can write bond angle decreases and repulsion will increases in the intermediate, and energy of pentagonal bipyramidal intermediate is decreases. So energy will decreases. Now generally in final result we can say that here terms, first it is minimum movement of ligand, minimum movement of ligand. Second is repulsion between ligand less, repulsion between ligand less. Third one is SN2 mechanism. Prepare to proceed to OW intermediate, then PBB, mean to say OW is octahedral wedge. Octahedral wedge and pentagonal bipyramidal. Now next is SN principle of microscopic reversibility. This principle that outgoing and incoming group is in intermediate should be at equivalent position. Now I hope you guys understood this video. So if you want more videos like this, so please subscribe my channel and share and like also. Thank you.